I'm Monica Mangan, and I believe that updating your home doesn't have to take a ton of time or money. I show people how to get Pinterest-worthy spaces that are just right for them.
I love it!
Give me one weekend, I'll give you 5 projects, and you'll have a completely transformed space by Monday. This weekend we're in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, a small suburb outside of Philly, and I'm helping a family with their outdoor space, specifically a play area for their 3 girls. When they moved into this house about a year ago, there was a swing set there, but it is in sad condition, totally run down and not really safe for their kids. So this weekend we're hoping to refurbish that and also give them an additional play space that'll grow with their girls.
Whee! There she is. There's your sister. Hi, my name is Sherry.
And I'm Steve.
And these are our 3 daughters, Serafina, Liliana, and Adriana.
And this is our play set. And really, this is just our play swings because this play set is a very sorry excuse for a kid's play area. You cannot climb these ladders because the ladder is missing. You cannot get on the monkey bar because the bar is missing.
They were terrified to look at what's actually inside the turtle.
I've never once lifted that turtle lid. So we called Monica and the Weekender to come over here and help us out. Turn this into a space that's not only exciting for kids, but safe. Right now, it's a nightmare.
Well, it's not much to look at, huh?
Yeah, I mean, kind of blends in with the trees and the overgrowth.
Yeah, I think sorry is the word.
Well, you weren't lying when you said it was kind of run down. The cool thing is, though, this is a really well-built swing set. I mean, this is very, very sturdy. It's not like a cheap, flimsy one. So hopefully we can work off of what we have going on here. So you guys have a lot of kids in the neighborhood, I'm assuming, from driving in here?
Oh, yes. The girls have made so many friends. We do play dates a lot, and I would love to move some of the play dates outside because then it creates less of a mess inside my house.
But right now, this just isn't cutting it.
I feel like I need to have the parents sign some sort of a waiver, like in case my child gets tetanus, like I'm not responsible for them climbing on here.
All right, so we're gonna actually jump into our first project right away because we have a ton to do this weekend, and it's actually gonna be in this area. We have a shed delivery coming.
Oh.
Have you guys heard of kind of a she shed? It's sort of a trend that had been going around. It was like people would make it like a reading nook or a painting area or a hangout. It was kind of like a woman's shed. We are gonna give our own spin on this and make a wee shed for your girls, okay? So it's gonna be kind of like a playhouse, but one that can grow with them.
Oh, okay.
All right.
That's awesome.
The Weekender is coining a new term today. We are calling this the Wee Shed. It's gonna be one epic space, so much better than a mini playhouse. This is gonna be life-size for your littles. We're starting off this weekend with the delivery and installation of the shed, which will be the base for the Wee Shed. This is kind of an awesome project for me because I don't have to do all the work. Lowe's has sent their pros to deliver and assemble the shed. We just have to lend a hand when they need it. What's first?
Carry it in the back.
Carry it all in the back. All right, so heavy lifting. Here we go. Got it?
Yeah.
We are so strong.
Oh, yes.
Got him?
Yes.
At least it's only like 100 trips, right?
Yeah.
Back and forth. Last pieces.
Finally.
Yes.
Guys, I will be totally honest. I was expecting like 4 walls, a roof, this. I mean, this might need to become a long weekend.
What?
But the pros say that they can whip this thing together in a couple hours. So we're gonna kind of let them do their thing. We'll help them as necessary, but we just gotta work out in.
Yes.
Yeah, we did.
All right, guys, so the team is making amazing progress on the shed. It's coming along, so we're gonna shift our attention onto refurbishing this sad little swing set, all right? We have a lot to do this weekend, so Matt is gonna help you guys demo, take everything that we need off this swing set, and I am gonna power wash. This isn't much to look at. We need to get some of the mold and the dirt and the grime off so that we can pretty it up later, okay?
Sounds good.
All right.
Good, Matt? Good?
Who's gonna do the turtle?
Good.
Who's gonna take the top off?
I think you said it hasn't been opened in like a decade.
We have never opened it.
Yeah.
And my daughter requested that you're the one that opens it.
That's fine, but I'll tell you this, if there's a living snake spider in there, I'm out of here. So how badly do you want a weekend makeover?
I don't know, the stakes are high though.
If you throw something at me, you're done. Seriously. Oh, there's a nest in there. What is that a nest of? It like fools you, white sandy beach and
Yeah.
then animal nest.
Danger.
Well, that's just became part of demo, so Matt will take care of that, and I'm gonna power wash, so there we go. What the homeowners don't know is that I'm planning to paint this swing set to give it a fresh new look. It's important to remove all the dirt and grime and chip paint from over the years so we have a nice surface to work with.
Whoa! Oh, man!
What is that?
Oh, God!
That's gross.
I didn't see that coming.
Oh.
Whoa. Got me? Oh, man!
It's like where all of them live.
There's a lot of spiders, and they have homes. There are blocks of white homes from spiders.
It was more spiders than I could have ever imagined living in one place.
I don't want to go back.
I feel like they're all over me.
Oh! Is that alive?
That's alive.
What the hell is that?
You should hit it with a hammer.
What is that?
I don't know. I need a hammer.
Pro tip, power washers are also great for blasting out spider houses, spider webs, and any other creepy crawlies. While Matt removes all the old swings, the Lowe's crew is in full swing, finishing up the shed, and it's looking pretty sweet, which is great because we're using the shed design as an inspiration to spruce up the old swing set. All right, Matt, I got some 2x4s for you. You got a new shirt.
Yes, nice and dry.
Nice and dry. So, swing set is dry, and we are gonna start working on a build for the swing set, okay? So basically the goal here is that we need to kick this up like 10 notches. Right
Good.
now, it is sad.
Yeah, it needs it.
It needs it. And the design that Matt and I came up with, we wanted it to kind of mirror what the shed's gonna look like when it's done. So we're using similar materials, and it's gonna have a similar design line to it. You have to be kind of creative and kind of figure out the design as you go when you're retrofitting something like this, but Matt's been kind of doing some measurements and prepping, right?
Yep, but we got it all cut and ready to go for you.
Good.
All right, sounds great.
Okay. The idea here is to create an almost mini shed on top of the swing set. We're using the existing framework and just building right on top of it. Let me show you what we're gonna wrap it with. So over here, this is exterior siding. It's called T111. It's actually the same material that we carried a bajillion pieces of for the shed. I wanted to case this out in the same material so that it actually has the same kind of style look to it. So it actually has tongue and groove to the edges. So when we have two panels meeting together, you won't even see a seam. All these materials, including the T111, was in stock at our local Lowe's. To mimic the roof line of the shed, we're using 2x4s in varying lengths and cutting them at a 40-degree angle where they meet together, which will give us the asymmetrical A-frame look of the shed. And now what we'll do is I'm gonna leave this side with a bit of an overhang because I like that look. But then on this side, we're gonna cut it perfectly flush there with the monkey bars.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Easy enough, right?
Oh yeah, super easy.
Okay. Our big focus on day 2 is to turn this perfectly nice and fine shed into an epic wee shed that will be the envy of every kid in the neighborhood. Sherry and Steve are getting a quick coat of crisp, clean white paint on the inside walls to get the ball rolling. All right, guys, so drop your stuff here. We've already gotten a lot accomplished this morning.
Yeah.
Pretty good, right? Okay, so I had you paint the inside of the shed. What are you thinking of the shed? I mean, it's finally done.
I mean, I love it. I cannot believe that I'm staring at a shed.
I'm thankful that the Lowe's team kind of ran point on that because we had a lot to do yesterday on top of that.
Yeah.
And we needed it painted before we could do this next project, which is flooring.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
this is really gonna take it from potentially still feeling like an industrial shed into feeling like a kid's playhouse. What we have here is just a vinyl sheet flooring. It's inexpensive, it's easy to install, and it's super durable for kids. So,
Great.
wanna see what it looks like?
Yeah, can't wait.
Let's show it to her, Maddie. No, you stand back there. This is like a big dramatic reveal.
Woo!
Okay.
Just rolling out the red carpet
Ready?
for me.
All right.
Nice.
It's cool, right?
Love it. I wish the floors inside my house looked like this.
Vinyl flooring has come a long way. I mean, before you'd kind of think of like 1970s hideous kitchen. This actually looks like barnwood.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna work great. It's gonna hide dirt for the kids and be super durable. What do you think?
I love it. Looks
Like
like
it?
it's very easy to wipe, spilled milk off of as well.
Yeah. This flooring works for both indoor and outdoor applications, but my favorite part is how easy it is to install. First, measure and cut it to size a little bit larger than your floor size using, are you ready for it? A utility knife. Yes, a utility knife. Once it's cut, bring it into your space, lay it flat, and trim around the edges with that utility knife. Last, take flooring adhesive, in this case it's suitable for outdoor use, trowel it onto your level surface, and roll it flat. Voila, instant style. So pretty much it was one big project and some painting for you today, and now you're done. I really want to surprise you with the finished product with this, and so you're out of here.
Aww.
Oh no, that's good. That means Maddie and I get to work our magic and pull this together. So
Good luck.
Thanks for your help. So these homeowners wanted the most epic playhouse for their 3 little girls, and I promised them that's what they would have. Now we're about to paint this shed and the swing set, and this is kind of unconventional, the colors we're about to use. We are going bold here, and it's gonna look amazing. Let me show you what we got. We have light pink, we have dark pink, we have coral, mint, and last but not least, like a periwinkle blue. These are the colors that Matt's dreams are made of. We're gonna do each vertical slat in a different color. So this is going to be one epic striped playhouse, and you better believe I'm also painting the swing set blue. Maddie, which one's your favorite?
I like the light pink.
You like the light pink? I like the periwinkle blue. The key to creating the ultimate wee shed in here is really gonna come down to what we put inside this shed. We want it to feel like an interior play space that just happens to be outside. I'm only doing one build in this space because I really want the girls to have a lot of room to play, but this is gonna add a lot of functionality. I'm adding a counter height desk area for them. I'm putting it under the slanted roof here because this is kind of wasted space unless we add a counter that the girls can sit at. All I had to do it was put in a ledger board, install my plywood, and then use some galvanized pipe to make it extra secure. I'm all about inspiring creativity, and Sherry and Steven are all about getting their girls to spend less time inside and more time outside. So I wanted to layer a lot of fun activities into this space. They can color, they can craft, they can read books. I want to make it a space that's truly an extension of their home, but outdoors. Big toss pillows like this are an awesome alternative to big bulky furniture when you're dealing with a smaller space, but yet the kids can also cozy up with a book and move it around if they need to. A lot of times people are interested in bringing some of the outside in with plants, but in this space we're actually also focused on bringing a lot of the inside out. When I'm done styling this space, it really should feel like a playroom inside their home. but it's not. All right, guys, so it has been a fun, busy weekend. We took on a lot, but I think it's totally paid off. So at the count of 3, you guys can open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, open them.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
That looks awesome.
Wow.
I love the girls' rule sign.
Oh, that's right. Look at the
like
paint on this. This is a
Completely
house.
different swing set. It
Wow,
looks
look
new.
at
Awesome.
Oh man, look at the turtle. The turtle stays. Oh man.
I love that we do an entire renovation and you're like, yeah, the turtle, you put new sand in it. That's all I had to do, huh?
Oh
That's it.
my gosh. I love the colors. I love the yellow.
Yeah.
Everything like that. It looks great.
I mean,
There's real monkey bars too.
Yeah.
There's
I
that looks
tested
really
them out.
safe.
I tried them.
Did
Let me
you?
just tell
Yeah.
you, they are totally tested, Monica approved. And Steven, you see how now, like the roof that we made really mirrors the shed.
You said it would all come together in the end, and it did.
Well, you guys wanted a place that could be like the talk of the town, or at least the neighborhood.
Yeah.
And we had some swing sets to compete with in the neighborhood that we totally needed to outshine.
Yeah.
So we really had to go big or go home in this situation.
Oh, you definitely did. It's such a legit play area for the kids. And look inside the windows. I didn't even see all the decorations and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That looks like that's a house.
We've got a whole second reveal to show you guys.
Oh my.
Go
Oh
ahead.
my gosh, that
Wow.
is so cute. Oh, that is so adorable.
Isn't it so fun?
Did we just walk inside a house?
A wee shed.
Oh, and this is a wee shed. Look at the floor.
Yes, this is so like their own little art studio area. That's
Wow.
perfect.
We built in the countertop area, which I was thinking for now, arts and crafts, tea parties, they can eat lunch out here, all that kind of stuff. But that's really the only permanent built-in piece. Everything else in here can be swapped out as they get older or as they get into different phases. And the windows, aren't the windows amazing here?
Yeah, it's so bright.
All right, well, I'm glad you guys are over the moon about this, but I want to know what the girls think.
Yeah.
Want to
us
get
too.
them?
Yes.
All right, go get them.
Let's get them.
1, 2, 3, look. What do you see?
What do you think, Vina?
What do you think?
Hop
Do you
down,
wanna
go look at it.
Go, take a look, go. You have no idea? Go,
Do you
go
want to
look.
look in your house?
Go,
Vina, look.
Look.
Of course, your kid's favorite thing is the turtle.
Yeah, it would be, right? The one thing they couldn't touch since we moved in the house.
We could have filled the turtle with sand and hung out all weekend.
Okay.
Go, go, go. Yay.
Nice one, Vina.
Good job, Vina.
Guys, did you even see your new playhouse over there?
I can look through the window.
Do you want to go check it out?
Do you want to go inside?
Wanna go see? Come on, let's go see.
Go
Let's
on, run over there.
Go. I would say they're pretty dang content.
They're content and they're having fun. I can't wait to see all the other kids come over and then they'll actually have a space they can play
yeah.
in for hours.
Yep.
What a drastic difference.
What do you guys say?
You're welcome. Enjoy it, okay? And have lots of fun parties there. Okay, go
Wow.
play. Go play. You can go play.
Not too fun.
Sorry, Dad. After this weekend, I'm out. Try your chairs. Well, that's it for the Weekenders Season 3. So many great homeowners, makeovers, and DIY project ideas. Oh my God! What was your favorite? Any other room types or projects that you'd like to see? Leave us a comment and let us know. And make sure you subscribe to the Lowe's YouTube channel if you haven't already. Check back in with us to see more amazing makeovers next season. Thanks for watching.